Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Silverado LT Trail Boss. This one has the 5.3 liter, made it to the 10-speed automatic. Now, I'll say right now the camera battery's running low, so if this one cuts out, it's just going to be a short drive. Should be enough to do the video, but the thing's been acting up. I mean, this camera is 4 or 5 years old, has over 1,000 videos recorded with it. So, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Sticker price on this one, $54,105. Yeah, it looks like it's down to 1 bar. Let me see. Oh no, we got 2 bars. Should make it to the end. So this truck, actually I'll wait till we're done the acceleration portion. This truck does not have auto start stop because of the chip shortage. Chevy, GM, GMC, all them. They are starting to ship some trucks and SUVs without auto start stop just to get them out and conserve chips. For me, not a fan of auto start stop. I'll disable it in every car I drive. So personally, that is a huge bonus for me. For some people, they still make them with the auto start stop, so you can still get it. It's just becoming a little more rare. It will tell you right on the window sticker if it has auto start stop or not. So don't sit there and think, oh, if I go to the dealership, they're going to sell me a truck. It says it has auto start stop, but it actually doesn't. No, they can't get away with that. It's right on the window sticker if it doesn't come with it. Big bump. Boop. There we go. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.